Hi guys, with another video. Previous video I just showed you how you can take it out of this starter from the Jeep Cherokee 1996. So this is the new one and this is the old one. If whenever you change the starter, just look carefully that it should be the same exactly the old one. So as you see, this is the exactly the old one. This is the old one. As you see, this is the shiny one. It's newer one. So well, I just want to show you that compare the two starter and show you that do not make any mistakes. Just know exactly what is this you changing. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.